trainer already. I have been doing it for quite some years now. But I believe learning is a never-ending thing. So I was looking to enhance my knowledge. I had a particular skill set with a particular industry, so I was looking to learn more. Having said that, there are so many programs running around for skills. You might ask me why this particular program. My answer would be because it was through Sharanam and through Prashant sir, whom I have known for quite some years now. And I knew if this program is being delivered by him, I would get the content which I need to enhance my skills. So that was my reason. And another thing I'd like to mention here was, it was not just my consideration, but a good thing was our past knowledge was acknowledged. Like, I got a discount, not a discount, basically a scholarship of 15% when I enrolled, because our past knowledge was taken into consideration. So that was one aha moment for me. So online classes can be tricky actually. I had my skepticism because it can be a aha thing or it cannot be like what you expect. So this was very smooth. Though it was online, it did not feel like there was not enough interaction. There was a lot of interaction, there was a lot of engagement. And staying online can get monotonous for you after a while, especially if the sessions are long. So even that was kept in mind, giving us adequate breaks, in between breaks, or breaking us into rooms and giving us time to discuss. So it did not feel like we were in front of a machine and separated from our colleagues. It was a seamless process.